Hi, I'm Ken Allender, Wildwood Cabinetry, Maryville, Tennessee. We are custom cabinet makers, and we have a 28,000 square foot plant, and we make all different sorts of cabinetry. The company was started by my wife, Paige, by her grandfather and her uncle, and we took over the company, and we continue on the tradition of building, designing, building, and installing high-end cabinetry in all different styles of homes, all different sizes and shapes. We travel out of state beyond our area there in near Knoxville, and we go to the beach and we go outside of Washington D.C. and we just primarily do upper end homes. When we started Lean, we were anything but lean. We had a high quality product, but our organization was working overtime, still missing delivery dates, and overall morale was pretty poor. So one of the things we did, we followed everything that Paul said, and we trained and we cleaned our bathrooms and we got everything going. But all of our efforts were so based off keeping things clean and neat. And we knew that we had to understand the 8 wastes, and we had people buying into that, and they were organizing things. But most of our lean efforts all revolved still around organizing, getting rid of chaos, cleaning up things. Really, we didn't see what we needed to, and we still continue to make great cabinetry. The overtime went away, things got much better. But after doing this for 2 years, we really hadn't had a lot of gains. But then we began to look at our drawer boxes, and with that, with our people buying in, we began to see if we could make that process better. And a key thing being process. So we had technology all along. We had invested in CNC machinery, and that allowed us to cut the drawer box sides very quickly, so we could cut those out in about 15 minutes. The drawer box bottoms, those came off our CNC, and that was also there. But this is what our drawer box station looked like even after we were into lean. We cleaned it up, but it still was basically, the layout of it remained the same. So we had a table that was low. We had things that didn't flow. You worked back and forth. And so it just wasn't set up in any sort of a work cell. There was no lean thinking applied to it. So John, one of our early adopters, John's a lean ninja. John decided he wanted to change it. So he got a pallet jack and asked permission and started moving things around, had his own little Kaizen event. And with that, he made the first work cell in our entire plant following lean principles. And so John set things up where the Dovetailer could move and could flow around. No new machinery, nothing new, but John just began to work in this work cell, and everyone began to see improvement. So before we could do 30 drawer boxes in about 20 hours, John was able to take that down to 30 drawer boxes in 8 hours. So it's amazing. Then Josh got involved. He saw what John was doing and talked about it, and Gary, our production manager, they got together and they decided that maybe we could even improve upon that some more. So the version 2.0, now we've added puttying and the notching and the branding to the operation and changed the flow of things. In so doing, it was just amazing what happened. I didn't think we could get much better than 8, but we halved it again. Got it down to 30 drawer boxes in 4 hours, and the drawer boxes are tighter. Well, having 30 boxes done in 4 hours makes all of us happy. Dave, our operations manager, is especially happy. So what we've learned is that we have to do lean every day, which that's never changed, but we've gotten our people now to do 3S'ing each day, but then to take it one step further, to try to think about how the process works in their particular area, how to make the work flow better. And then if they need to make a widget or a gizmo, if they need to do something tangible they can see in their area, make sure that that fits into actual process improvement. We've actually, we call it now that their lean improvements are actually lean process improvements, so that they key in that they need to actually be making the overall process better. And that's working for all of us at Wildwood.